Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Brussels sprouts with bacon. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Thanks for watching. So now we take our streaky bacon and we just chop it into lardons. Try and get bacon with a little bit more fat on it so that whenever you fry it, it just goes crispier. Now we're going to take our Brussels sprouts and we're just going to trim the bottom of them and take off any of the brown bits or bits of leaves that are hanging on. The smaller your Brussels sprouts are, the better, because it makes them a slight bit sweeter. This is a tedious job. It does take a few minutes, but it does help with the flavour of the sprouts. Now folks, if you find value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and look for my other videos at the end of this one. So now that our sprouts are peeled, we're just going to take a knife and we're going to chop them in half. This just helps to give them a charred flavour whenever you cook them. So now that our sprouts are finished, we're going to chop up a clove of garlic. Just chop it finely. We're going to set that to the side and then we're going to finely slice an onion. Now that we have our onions and garlic done, we're going to go over to the frying pan. We're going to warm it on a medium heat. We don't need to put any oil into it because the bacon is quite fatty. Now we'll cook the bacon for a couple of minutes until it starts to go crusty, and then we'll add in our onion and our garlic. Just give this a good stir around. Let it cook for another few minutes until the onion goes translucent and the garlic is cooked. You'll see the bacon also start to go brown and it will get crispy around the edges. Now we're going to add our Brussels sprouts. Just give them a stir around. Let them sit. As I said earlier, you don't need any fat in here because of the bacon, and the Brussels sprouts will start to char. Now we're going to add just a little bit of water. This helps to steam the Brussels sprouts as well, which helps them cook through the middle. Some freshly ground black pepper. You don't need any salt because there's enough salt in the bacon. We'll bring it to the boil. We'll pop the lid on, just let it steam for a few minutes, and then we'll take the lid off, let all the liquid reduce. As you can see, the Brussels sprouts and the bacon are charred and they're now ready to serve. So just scoop them out of the pan, put them into a serving dish. Now these go great with Christmas dinner, they go great with any roast beef, any type of roast at all. And if like me, I like Brussels sprouts on their own, they're great just with a fork by yourself. So now folks, there we have our Brussels sprouts topped with bacon, onions and garlic. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.